I got permabanned from World of Warcraft, and you could be next. There is a very huge problem with the permabanning ongoing from Blizzard side. I don't know if you know about this. Check Reddit, check TikTok, check Twitter, check YouTube Shorts, check anything, even their own forums. There are many, many people getting permabanned, and it seems that a lot of those bans come from a lot of bots mass reporting actual players because they are getting contested for herbs, mining spots, anything that you can farm, honestly. And then there's also the weird people that are reporting new players simply because they rotate on the keyboard. If you didn't know, just go to your keybinds. Change from rotate to strafe. I didn't get banned for that one. I think I got banned for my herbalism. Wild. But yes. Small reminder. Stick to any other profession or don't do professions at all. At least for now. Well, Blizzard figures its shit out. I don't think they will, but yeah.